Since since few members have joined recently, they are not able to understand what how the group is structured and how do we go about it. So this is the batch 4 live group, and this is the general chat what we are having over here. The recording section will have all the recordings of all the sessions done till now, no matter online, no matter offline, whatever the sessions done till now. You will find all the session numbers with the relevant information in the recordings. In the announcement section, we post announcements with tags like buybacks, mergers, demergers. So whenever I click on this big order, I get all these announcements filtered. Whenever I click on this conversion of owner, whenever I click on right, so I get all the announcements where the right issues were there. So we usually post announcements with a hashtag, right? So this is how the announcement section is there, and in this announcement sector we try to find out the special situation patterns, which are the basic patterns, which slowly and steadily I am trying to discussed earlier also, will be discussing further subsequently also. The current opportunities section is a section where I am able to find opportunities with where somebody can look at, invest, try and get some gains out of it. It might be special situation, it might be a short-term bet, it might be a long-term bet. So whatever the opportunities we are able to find, I am sharing you this current opportunities section over here. The delivery data analysis is where we find the accumulation. You can look into the recording section and see how do you assess the delivery data. The must read section is some snippets and some data which you should read whenever you have the time. Valuation snippets is how to value companies, what are the different stages of a company. Your general chat, where everybody can have a general chat, which you don't want to disturb the flow of the general chat. So that is why your general chat. Health, fitness and fun is just for fun and posting your health updates, your workout updates and any forwards you like to do. Now steel converters, steel and value added industry insights over here. This is not business specific, this is the industry specific thread regarding to steel. Technicals you all understand. Snippets is some important inputs from data I read and I am able to catch. So those are important snippets which will give you insights of getting better at your thinking process, your analysis level. M&A is the magazine which we had subscribed. We have all the previous data over here, and this magazine is mergers and acquisitions. So we get the magazine and we post it over here, and some data from the magazine we try and filter out, we try and annotate, and we try and post it over here so others can read in a short in format, because if you go and read from 2000, it is a very long list of data for here. Like the solar industry, now comes the recycling industry, the solar, renewable, thermal, wind industry. General read, if you want to read, you can. If you don't want to read, you can just skip it. It is just general stuff. EV industries, new IPOs. So there are websites where we have some subscriptions where you get details of IPOs, what is the business, what is the valuation, how the business is doing, why are they picking up the money. So notes on new IPOs are over here. Then comes your tire industry, shrimps industry, retail industry, gems and jewelry industry, defense space, pipe fitting phase, water treatment, wood industry, footwear industry, media, banks, all types of bank, ARC companies, lending institutions. Knowledge series are some videos where you should read, you should watch, not read. You should watch and you'll get good insights from super investors of all times, and CFA Society videos, which are very helpful to make our understanding better. Again, the paint industry, the quarterly results in the presentations, it's very obvious what does this mean. Whenever the quarterly results of the investor presentations are out and the companies which we are tracking, we are looking at, we posted over here. Capital goods industry, healthcare and hospitals, reports of subscriptions where we had taken as a group of Catalyst Wealth, of the other website which I am forgetting, and those all reports are over there. It might be special situations, it might be several other things, and how do these analysts decode the business and how they understand it. Again, auto industry, textile, construction, FMCG, this is consumable chemicals. Book zone is what are the books, because everybody is not in the book zone, so we have two book zones. One book zone is here a part of this where all the books are shared, where we try and read the books and try and share the inputs from that. And there is another group for book zone for the where the active members are there. IT, pollution, refractories, business of word wizard. This thread was created by Rakesh, so I did not delete that thread. Now the businesses which we were studying has gone into a business analysis group, and the businesses what the group wants to study is in the calls group. Important videos, packaging, liquor, plastic industry, rubber, paper, special situation reports is from Catalyst Wealth. Berkshire Hathaway AGM videos and mattress industries, Sleepwell and Kurlon and all those kind of things. So these are a few industries which are over here. Next you go to the business group, you will find businesses which have been done. Plastivents has been done. Pravek not had started. Old business notes which I was able to analyze, so I have posted over here. Ramco has been done and others are still in the pipeline. Tejo I think also has been done. Tejo has been done. So Surani, AMI, KPI, Techno, all these businesses are over here which slowly will be covered and slowly their inputs would be shared in the relevant threads. Now next is the calls group. The calls group, this is a basic discussion. Businesses what the group wants to study, the recordings of this group. And I think we have done over here, what we have done over here is we have finished Phantom. We have finished, that is why the thread is closed. Phantom discussion has been done, what was there in Phantom, and others are still open. Right, then you come to the basics. The basics is, this is actually the batch 2 program where you learn how to decode the basics. And the channel is very obvious, open to all. That's all there is to it. Reading is where you get the newspapers of different kind of newspapers. Portfolio group, all of you are not in the portfolio group, so I should not talk about that. And another team group. So this is how the batch 4 is structured, right?